Today I'm making another Southern comfort food classic, salmon patties. Some of you may call them salmon croquettes. But regardless of what we call them, we can all agree that they're simply delicious. These patties are crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and they're made with simple pantry ingredients. Sit back, relax, and I'm going to show you how to make them. Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making salmon patties. You will need 14 ounces of canned pink salmon, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of onion, 1/2 cup of celery, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and canola oil for frying. Place your salmon in a large bowl and make sure to remove all bones. Now season with your salt and pepper. Add the onion powder and garlic powder. Now add the celery and onion. Let's settle the debate. Do you call these salmon patties or salmon croquettes? Let me know in the comments. Add your flour and your egg, then mix until well combined. To get this recipe and all of my recipes, make sure to get the Soul Food Cooking app. I have provided a link in the description below. Form your salmon into patties, then place them on a baking dish lined with parchment paper. Using medium heat, bring your oil to temperature. Now carefully place your formed patties into the frying pan and allow them to cook for 4 minutes on each side. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.